pay attention to your promos because it's important to get your visibility for your book. So today we're going to just do a step through how to set your KDP book up for free. So in this case, you've got a nice big full bookshelf. Which book is it that we're setting to be free?
Hello, Kenya. Hello, Kenya. Since tomorrow is the last day of
Kenya and
like history, yeah.
A lot of people don't realize that they can actually filter this way.
Gotcha.
So we've got this here, and a free day applies to the ebook. So we're going to click here. We can either click promote and advertise, or we can come here and we can do promote and advertise over here. So you just have to scroll down because this is the marketing tab, right? So we have till you get to the run a price promotion, you're going to click on free book promotion and then create a new free book promotion.
Okay. And I can just set for like literally just tomorrow, right? Like last day.
Yeah, it needs to be done a day in advance, but
yeah, perfect. 29th, perfect. That's what I want. Yeah, perfect.
And the end date would be the 29th as well. Is that right?
It will give it like how many hours? It'll give it 29 hours, right? Or
yeah, so it'll give it a full day. So it'll go from the 29th to the 29th. So one day. So right now it says you have one. This would use one of your 5 free days.
Mm-hmm. And each title in the series is allowed to have 5, right?
You get 5 free days every 90-day period, as long as you are enrolled in KDP Select.
Sure. But I mean, each title, it's like my new individual book, right? Like it's not per series. Okay, got it.
Yes, each one gets its own version of that.
Perfect.
And then I'm going to click Save Changes. Sure. So the other thing I wanted to bring up here is there's this thing that says Kindle Countdown Deal. Are you aware of what that is used for?
No.
Katrina? No. So a Kindle Countdown Deal, you can't do it if your book is brand new. But if you've got a book that's been sitting out there a while and you want to rejuvenate it, you can do a countdown deal. And so you can click on this.
I mean, it's been released in December, so I'm not sure if it's going to.
Yeah. So, but it would, it's not, it says it's currently ineligible.
Because it's too new. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's too new. But if it wasn't so new, you wouldn't have this error. And it would allow you to put in the dates of the Kindle Countdown Deal. And what the Countdown Deal will do, you can say, I want it to be at 99 cents. And then how many increments do you want the price to jump? So it goes like up a little, up a little, up a little. And you can say, just do it in one fell swoop, and it will just automatically go right up to the old price. Or you can do it in increments and then encourage people to actually go in and purchase the lower price countdown deal while it's still available. Okay. So one of the things that I also wanted to mention, I don't think it will let me provide you with when I use KDROI, which is here, there is a tool called KDROI. It is made from the same people that make KDSpy. And this KDROI tool, if I go to Hello Kenya, so let's just say that's the book that we're going to put the deal on. We're going to go to Hello Kenya. So I'm just trying to click on one that isn't going to cost you anything. So we're going to go to Hello Kenya, the ebook. Once I have this listing open, which is kind of going a little slow, I can click on this. This is KDROI. It's a Chrome extension that's installed. And I think it's very inexpensive, $20 or $30, something like that. And what it's going to do, it's going to open up KDROI. And it gives you a couple of different things. So it gives me an opportunity to extract reviews. So if I was looking at somebody else's listing that has 1,700 reviews, there's some features here that let me pull that customer information down. It depends on whether or not those people have like special relationships with Amazon, like through Vine and things like that. If they do, then you may end up getting some contact information. So that's one thing that KDROI does. Another thing that it does is allows you to submit a promotion. So I can click here and I can select or name the project. So I'll say Hello Kenya. So when I go here, it pulls the information from the page that we're on. And
genre, we need to change the genre.
Yeah, the genre, you're right. The genre always seems to be problem. So I'm changing it to children. It's pulling your email, your information from the book title. And then there's it wants to know what the regular Kindle price is. What is it? $3.99, $4.99?
No, I think we might have set it as $1.99, but you can change that too.
Okay, well, we'll just put it at what the regular one is. And then email address is info@sophieandstehi.com. It already pulls information from the cover. It pulls the book description, the author bio. So it kind of pre-fills all of this information. Then I click on next, and it gives me all of these sites that are for free promos and the ones that will take children's books because it knows that this is a children's book. So I can say this is a 99-cent promo, or it's a perma-free, or it's a free promo. And then I can hit next. Now, I don't think it'll let me schedule it for tomorrow. The soonest it would have let me do it is Friday. So if you wanted to make it free for tomorrow and Friday, which
let's do today's perfect.
Then you get the benefit of all of these other promos.
Let's just do perfect. I like yes, let's do that.
I'm going to click the submit here, and it's going to automatically submit to all of those promo sites instead of having to go individually and submit it all.
It's amazing.
Which I think is kind of cool. There's also some different features down here, keywords, contacts, reviews. So you get an opportunity to see a lot more with this tool. And it works hand in hand with KDSpy, which is a keyword search tool. So I think it's for the price. It's so inexpensive. KDSpy is like $60. And I think this was like an extra $29 or $30.
So it's like an app, almost like an app, like additional.
It is like an app. Yeah, it is like an app. And this will take time. It says submitted to 21. And then 15 of them, it didn't work through, probably because some of them just didn't accept children's books. But 21 different sites have your free promo for Friday.
It's amazing.
We're going to go back in, and we're going to go into KDP. When you've already scheduled a promo and you need to edit it, you can't just come here and do that. You have to scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see the scheduled promotions.
So you need to edit.
You can either delete it or you can edit.
Okay, sure. We can edit
it. Change this from the 29th to the 1st.
Perfect.
Save. So now you've got two that are
And that's amazing. It's every 90 days. Somehow I thought it's 5 days per year, but it's actually 5 days per every 90 days. That's amazing. Okay.
Yep. And that's it. That's how you do free promos and take advantage of some of these extra tools and things you can submit. And I also always recommend planning a few weeks in advance for these promos and promo stacking. So I would do, Fussy Librarian, Ebook Soda, and, other things on top of everything. And these sites are promotional sites. There's Written Word Media is another one where you can pay for one package. And I think they promo stack 3 different promotions around it. Let's take an example of the Fussy Librarian. I think last time I looked, it was like 600,000 people on their email list. And when you pay $22 or something like that, they will schedule your promo and they will blast the information out about your free children's book and other free children's books that are all, in that genre to people like me who say, yes, please send me free deals or deals on children's books. The full 600,000 people that have chosen to want to be notified of children's book deals, but a subset of that. I get the deal if I like your book, or I think, oh, maybe my kids would like this, or maybe my grandkids would like this. I would grab the free ebook, get it on my tablet, scroll through it and go, yes, this is really good. I think I'm going to go and order the series for my grandkids.
Awesome.
So people like me, I'm always downloading ebooks that I think the kids might like, but I'm cautious about what I spend money on or what the messaging is, because you never know. Is it aligned with your values? Is the price of the book worth what you're seeing on the inside? So that's what I would do. Now, there's another promo site that I think everybody should be working with, and that promo site is BookBub.
Mm-hmm.
Have you registered yourself for BookBub?
I don't think so, but I will be. No.
Yeah, so BookBub is more expensive. Like if you're doing a Fussy Librarian, you might spend $24 or something like that, $22, I forget. But for that money, you'll probably get like 600 downloads, 800 maybe. If you get selected for a BookBub deal, which is a promo, you'll spend maybe $120, but the sheer volume of the people that are going to get your promo is much greater. And you could end up, I've seen authors of children's books end up with 15 or 20,000 downloads.
Wow.
So it's much bigger. So the thing with BookBub is not everybody that applies will get it. Don't take it personally. They only have so many slots and everybody gets to apply, and then they pick the ones that they think will go the best.
Okay.
So what I would say is if you submit for a deal and you get declined, mark on your calendar 30 days and then go and reapply every 30 days until you get it, because it's that good. It's that important. And it does a great job of getting your book out into the world.
Mm-hmm. Perfect. And you said written word is another one?
Written word media. I've got a session coming up where they're going to come and visit us. So they do promo stacking. I'm going to go in here. I think they stack Fussy Librarian, Free Booksy, and one other. So here's a romance promo stack. Let's just see, promote. They also, which I didn't even realize that this was an issue, but they also have been starting to do Amazon ads, Facebook.
Oh, it's all connected.
Ads
Wow.
for other people. And here's the promo stack. So anyway, I invited them to come and talk to us and to do an interview with us.
Awesome.
This is young adult stack. This is young adult. See if they have a children's book stack. Thriller. So maybe.
Pretty sure they do with all these pages.
Yeah, I wonder if there's like a search or something. Oh, select genre, children. Okay. And then it'll show. So there's a $180 promo stack special going on right now. And it costs you that much money, but you get how many? What you get? You get children's 5-day stack. So you got to use all your 5 days, and they're going to stack a certain number of promos. I kind of like to pick and choose my promos. And if I want to stack them all in the same day or two, then I don't have to use all 5 of my free days. So, but this is something that some people like to do. They like to go to written word media, pay a little more, get additional options and stacking of those specials.
Sounds great. Thanks, April.
Hopefully this was helpful, and will help you guys learn how to create these promos as well. Pay attention to your promos because it's important to get your visibility for your book.